The activity that I have planned for today includes something that we could find almost anywhere right now, and that is leaves. And what we are going to do with those leaves is leaf stamp. So once you have your leaf, all we're gonna need to do is get some paint, and you're gonna paint your leaf. You might wanna do this on another piece of paper if you want to before you stamp it. And I'm gonna get this all painted here and show you what it's going to look like. And this is what your leaf should look like. And then as soon as you're done, you're gonna put it on your piece of paper and press it down as hard as you can, just to make sure you get the full print. And then as soon as you take your leaf off, it should look something like this. See, it's really cool. You can see the leaf veins and the leaf shape. So I thought this would be really fun, and I plan on filling up my whole paper. So if you guys would like to do that, I hope you guys have a lot of fun, and I will talk to you later. Bye.